How to fix the "something went wrong" check that Google Play is enabled on your device error on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve this issue quickly and easily. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. At this point, tap on the filter option at the top right of the screen. Let me show you. From there, tap on Show System Apps so all hidden apps become visible. In the next step, search for Google Play Store and tap on it to open the app info page. From there, make sure the app is enabled. If you see an Enable button, tap on it to turn it on. At this stage, tap on Force Stop and confirm. Following this, tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Once done, go back and search for Google Play Services and tap on it to open the app info page. From there, tap on Force Stop and confirm. Tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Once done, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. From here, once your device restarts, open the Play Store and check if the error is gone. Finally, if the issue persists, open the Play Store, tap on your profile picture, tap on Settings, tap on About, and tap on Play Store version a few times to trigger an update. Then restart your device and try again. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Google Play error, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.